Hey guys, this is the Lego helicopter, the ambulance helicopter. Here's the helicopter. First we'll talk about the helicopter. And on the rear you can see down is written the set code 60179. And so if you open the nose, there's the cockpit. And there's also a captain riding the helicopter. And yes, this door can open and there is the hospital bed. There is also one nurse over there. And there's also oxygen mask and a syringe. And there's also one monitor. And there's also one ice skateboarder. And yes, he's also the patient. There's also a walkie-talkie. So the pilot can communicate with the hospital that they have reached or not, or they are arriving. Thank you.